Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn music notes for violin. First, familiarize yourself with your instrument, including the violin's parts and how to hold the bow correctly. Next, grasp fundamental music theory like the staff, clefs, and note values. Begin by mastering the open string notes, G, D, A, and E. This foundational knowledge is crucial for building your violin playing skills effectively. Once you know the open strings, focus on precise finger placement on the fingerboard to produce clear notes. Use finger tapes initially if helpful. Systematically memorize the notes on each string, understanding how each finger changes the pitch. Start practicing simple one-octave scales like G major to develop muscle memory and ear training. Consistency is key here. Now, let's tackle reading sheet music. Learn to identify notes on the musical staff, understanding their positions and corresponding pitches. Familiarize yourself with various rhythm and timing symbols, such as whole notes, half notes, and quarter notes. Practice sight reading very simple pieces regularly to improve your ability to translate written music into played notes quickly and accurately. Consistent practice is vital for progress. Aim for at least 15 minutes daily. Incorporate a metronome into your routine to develop a steady rhythm and improve your timing accuracy. Explore online resources, violin method books, and consider a teacher for personalized feedback. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Enjoy your musical journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.